Ever wished you could have the power and familiarity of Windows, alongside the flexibility and coding prowess of Linux, all on the same machine? Today, we're diving into how to successfully dual boot Windows 10 and Ubuntu on your HP desktop, giving you the best of both worlds. Let's get started. First, we need to create some space for Ubuntu. Open Disk Management. You can search for it. In the Windows search bar, find your C drive. Where Windows is installed, we'll shrink this drive. Right-click on the C drive and select Shrink Volume. In the Shrink window, enter the amount of space you want to dedicate to Ubuntu. This depends on your needs, but 50 gigabytes or more is recommended. Then click Shrink. This will create an allocated space on your hard drive, and that is where we will install Ubuntu. The unallocated space is now ready for Ubuntu. Next, we need to download the latest Ubuntu ISO file from the official website and create a bootable USB drive or DVD drive. Download a tool, such as Rufus, if you chose to use USB. Now, insert your bootable USB or DVD into your HP desktop and restart the computer during startup. Press the key to enter the boot menu. This key can vary based on which HP desktop you are using. Typically, keys like ESC, Delete, F2, F10, or F12 work. In the boot menu, select your USB drive or DVD from the boot options. The computer will boot from the Ubuntu installation media. Follow the Ubuntu installation prompts during the installation. When prompted for installation type, choose something else or install alongside, if offered. Select the unallocated space we made earlier for the Ubuntu installation. Create a partition, then install Ubuntu. The installer will handle configuring the grub bootloader, which will allow you to choose between Windows and Ubuntu on startup. After the Ubuntu installation completes, restart your computer. You will see the grub bootloader, where you can choose to boot into Windows or Ubuntu. Congratulations, you have successfully dual booted Windows 10 and Ubuntu on your HP desktop. Now you can embrace the power of both operating systems.